Welcome to Pathan Sir Chemistry YouTube channel. So this channel is dedicated for my students. Like, share, subscribe. Here any problem you can comment. Now today's topic is solid state 12th science, and we'll study relationship between molar mass, density of substance, and unit cell edge length. Today we'll learn derivation of this equation. Rho is equals to n into m upon a cube into na. This you will learn this equation, how to derive this equation. Now let us go for the actual derivation. Now what happens? Now first let us consider a, small a, as a edge length, as it is a cubic system. So here a is equals to b is equals to c. Say all the length are similar and alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma 90 degree. Simple cubic system or cubic system whose density is rho. Say number of particle in unit cell as n. Okay, so if it is simple cubic, it will be 1. For body centered cubic, it will be 2. For face centered cubic, it will be 4. Okay, then we are considering mass of each particle, this as small m, mass of each particle as small m, and the molar mass of the substance or the molar mass of the molecule is capital M. Okay, then here Avogadro number is given as Na, which is equals to 6.022 10 to the power 23 particles. That means the molar mass that contains number of particles per mole is equals to 6.022 10 to the power 23. So 1 mole of substance always contains this much number of particles. Let us go for the actual derivation. Volume of cubic unit cell is equals to height into width into breadth, that is a into a into a, that is a cube. So volume of unit cell is given by equation a cube. Now mass of unit cell, obviously the number of particles present multiplied by mass of individual particle, that is m into n. So mass of unit cell is equals to small m into n, where small is mass of one particle, n is total number of particles present in it. As already said, if it is simple cubic, n will be 1. For body centered cubic, it is 2, and for face centered cubic, it will be 4. Now we know that the general equation for density is equals to mass divided by volume. Therefore, we know for a unit cell, the mass of unit cell is equals to mass of individual particle multiplied by total number of particle present per unit cell, that is small m into capital N divided by volume of unit cell, that is a cube. Now here m is molar mass of the substance. We know that molar mass of the substance is equals to mass of one particle multiplied by Avogadro number, or mass number of particle present per mole. Therefore we can write capital M is equals to small m into Na. This Na is Avogadro's number, which is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles and per mole. Now therefore this m remains one side, so Na go towards this side. So small m, that is mass of one particle, is equals to molar mass divided by Avogadro number. Now we'll substitute this value of mass of one particle into this equation. We get this, instead of m we'll write m upon Na. Okay, this n remains as it is, aq remains as it is. Okay, that means we get the final equation that this rho, that is density of the substance, is equals to capital M into n divided by Na upon a cube. This equation, this last equation, gives relationship between density, molar mass, and edge length of the unit cell. So thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Share with your friends. If you have any problem, or any issue, comment. Thank you once again.